Hey everyone, and welcome to Acrylic Painting Basics, how to clean your brush. Alright, we've got the Bob Ross brush cleaning bucket and screen. You get this cool bucket with this nice little screen in there. We got a used bucket that already has a screen in it with some water, and we got a dirty brush. So our basics of cleaning brushes, how do we do it? Well, first off, I got a lot of paint on there. I'm just going to take some towel and I'm going to mush this paint into this towel. I'm going to get as much of that paint off as I possibly can. I'm going to take that brush, wipe it back and forth across the screen at the bottom of this bucket. Wipe it back on this towel. You can see it's getting there. It's pretty clean. I'm going to take some brush cleaner now. All this is basically soap for your brush. I'm going to dip my brush in some clean water. I'm going to swirl it around in here, really work it in. And then I'm going to swirl this in the palm of my hand and just kind of move it through. Now, one thing you never want to do is pull on the bristles, but you can spread them out. Once I have them all spread out and that soap worked in there all nice and good, I'm just going to wipe it off on my towel real quick. Kind of swish it back and forth in my water and wipe the excess off on my towel. After that, I'm just going to very lightly smooth out that brush so it's all nice and ready for next time. You can see I still got a little bit of soap on there, and that's okay. You know why? This is conditioner. It's good for the bristles. It helps the brush keep its form and keep it ready for the next go around. Thank you for watching. Hey, if you like this content, thanks for watching. Hit the link below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day and go out and paint something.